25 to 75,000 a year per patient.
This is the second shortwave radio I got recently, and it's an old Panasonic model RF 2900 multi-band shortwave AM FM receiver, and cosmetically it's in good shape except for a little hole where one of the feet used to be. Someone busted that off when I got the thing. Only functional problem with it was the display itself. The frequency display did not show frequency, actual tune frequency on AM or any other shortwave bands. It worked on FM, but not AM. Took the thing apart and traced it down to a failed surface mount resistor on the frequency counter board, which changed that out, and the frequency display now works on all AM and shortwave bands. Stuff, all in all, pretty decent radio. And surprisingly,
and I'm back with another 2050 Dyno Test Challenge.
Functional. Just the internal antenna on the AM band and stuff. A lot better on a lot of AM radios, and even on the shortwave frequencies. It is pretty sensitive on the shortwave bands and stuff. A lot better than a lot of modern radios. The only thing I forgot to fix though was the stupid light on the display when I had everything apart. Of course, you can't think of everything. Radio in general, relatively normal shortwave, and it's got to be a frequency variable BFO on it too for receiving shortwave and CW, which is helpful when you go to the AM bands and stuff. Let's see here. Crank it on over to the ham bands. Whoops, gotta change frequency here. See if I can find something. Not really right now. Go up to 40 meters. And it has a function where you can pull the knob out and have gear reduction tuning. Come on. Nothing really on right now. Few stations, but
Delta Zero November Papa, Whiskey, Colorado.
not really any stations strong enough to pick anything up right now in the hand bands. Shortwave broadcast though, it's pretty good. Go back to that and turn off the DFO. Turn off the
成为了各大电影争相合作的一个首选战项。我们就以《心花怒放》这部电影为例吧，猫眼呢是以9.9和19.9进行提前预售，这个预售的票房
light control, of course,
当然了，非常的便宜啊。
which I did not replace when I had the radio port. Wideband, narrowband,
我们刚才也提到
on the AM,
外卖啊、补贴都是
and when you're on FM, it turns off and on automatic frequency control.
难道是整个大环境
Slow speaker, MPX out, record out, triple bass controls, tuning calibration here for the scale, and a control to turn off and on that vacuum fluorescent display, or if you just want a temporary turn it on, press down, display will come on and it'll shut back off and light up. So, overall, pretty good receiver for this age and stuff. So, take care. Take it easy.